June is a wild card in northwest Montana. It's hot, it's raining, it's hailing on your tomatoes. It's a mixed bag of weather and outdoor opportunities. But rest assured, your local farmers markets and rodeos will be in full swing. And of course, our amazing slate of uber-talented local musicians will be holding court at our many music venues and eateries. Check out our past press play performances on the Daily Interlake YouTube channel to brush up on the best local talent to chase this summer. And, as always, find all the best events on dailyinterlake.com/events to keep your pre-summer hot and spicy. Happy's Inn hosts country music hitmaker Craig Morgan on Saturday, June 21st with special guest and local sensation, the Tommy Edwards Band. If you haven't yet discovered it, Happy's Inn is a great place to see a concert. Spend the weekend camping and take advantage of their full-service cafe. Halfway between Whitefish and Libby, Happy's Inn has been a Montana institution since 1902, when it was established as a hitching post for weary travelers. This locally owned oasis plays a host to an impressive lineup of summer concerts. Fill your music cup the weekend of July 25th with a Friday night performance by Flathead Cavalry, and congratulate yourself on your good luck in seeing the Oak Ridge Boys on Saturday. Get happy in August with Ashley McBride or Be Still My Gen X Heart, Hoobastank. Check out the full summer lineup at happysin.com. The Flathead Pride Festival kicks off a rainbow of activities June 12th to 15th. Join in for a drag night or brunch and stop by the Gateway Community Center in Kalispell on June 13th for Family Fun Friday, or on Saturday, June 14th for Pride Inside for vendor tables, food trucks, and activities. Amazing Place Music is at it again. Don't miss out on seeing their first on-the-stage performance of the season with Grammy-winner Reid on June 14th at the Whitefish Performing Arts Center. Select a 6 or 8 p.m. showing of this unique and intimate performance. Support the Warming Center and get your groove on at the inaugural Stumptown Getdown at Whitefish's Depot Park on Saturday, June 21st. Anything DJ JC touches is sure to be gold, and you will not want to miss out on this charged all-ages show. Moon Tricks, DJ Epic, and the rarely seen Analog Armada will perform. A variety of food and beverage options will be available to round out your experience. If you haven't yet perambulated with the Northwest Montana History Museum on their downtown Kalispell Walking Tour, get in step and book your slot for this fascinating stroll through Kalispell history. Get tickets and more info for Flathead Pride, On the Stage, the Stumptown Getdown, and the Downtown Kalispell Walking Tour at flatheadtickets.com, and hit me up if your venue or organization needs ticketing. Skip the noise and the cost of other ticketing platforms and keep it local at the Daily Interlake's flatheadtickets.com. Knowing me, knowing you, you'll not want to let the first offering in the Whitefish Summer Concert Series slip through your fingers. Take a chance on Meredith Patterson and her entourage as they perform the music of ABBA for 8 p.m. performances June 27th through 29th at the O'Shaughnessy Cultural Arts Center in Whitefish. Mamma mia, will this be a great show. The Whitefish Theatre Company presents The Baby Shower for various dates and times June 1st through June 7th at the O'Shaughnessy Cultural Arts Center in Whitefish. Join in for this outrageous and snarky tale of a baby shower full of unexpected guests and drama. The Making Place hosts 2 events this month, starting with their Maker of the Month, Audrey Hivonen. Audrey helps you unravel your happy place with a guided imagery exercise and this fiber collage workshop on Sunday, June 8th at the Making Place in Columbia Falls. On Saturday, June 14th, the Making Place teams up with Flathead Story Concerts for an evening of well-told tales at the White Raven Winery in Columbia Falls. Brush up on your grizzly, that's bears, not football, knowledge as the Glacier 2 Medicine Alliance presents the Flathead Grizzly Bear Study, the first 40 years, with Dr. Bruce McLennan on Wednesday, June 11th at 7 p.m. at the Whitefish Community Center. This story of the wild is free and suitable for all ages. Just you try not to leave the Humane Society of Northwest Montana's Summer Shindig without a new family member. Join in for a fun-filled, family-friendly day complete with raffles, silent auction, games and contests, a bouncy house, food trucks, and live entertainment as you support those who support our furry friends in need. The fun begins at 10 a.m. on Saturday, June 14th at 100 Adopt a Pet Way in Kalispell. Load up the wagon and trek to Plains on June 20th and 21st for the Montana Homesteaders Festival. This 2-day event celebrates Montana homesteading heritage with workshops, hands-on demonstrations, live music, and a variety of speakers focused on regenerative farming, self-sufficiency, and rural living. A marketplace will host natural wellness providers, farm-fresh food, handmade Montana products, and livestock. Save the date for June 26th as the Second Story Band presents Dueling Pianos, starring Dustin Braley and Ross Bridgman for an 8 p.m. performance at 101 Central in Whitefish. These ticklers of the ivory perform a diverse repertoire of music from classic hits to contemporary favorites. That's a wrap for the best June events. Find details of all these events and more on your favorite online local events calendar at dailyinterlake.com/events, where you can add your events for free. Don't forget to check out the summer concert lineup for Happy's Inn, as there are some truly special performances happening through September at this unique outdoor venue. And pop by flatheadtickets.com to reserve your seat for the best local events. As always, I'm your host, Melissa Wells, reminding you that the more you do, the more you do. Get out there and take advantage of our rich cultural landscape. Cheers.
Thanks to our sponsor, Lauren's Auto Repair at 1309 US Highway 2 in Kalispell. Most consistently rated 5-star shop serving the Kalispell area. Visit laurensauto.com.